1996 Chevrolet C1500 regular cab short box Stepside. You don't see them like this every day. Best of all, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed actual miles at just a little over 82,000 is all. And a Northern Texas truck up until 3 years ago. So I'll tell you where to check out the underside pics, interior pics in just a bit. You can see how solid this truck is. Cowl hood. Of course, 5.7 liter V8 underneath there. It's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Some custom touches done to this truck, as you can see. Front grille, headlights, kind of been blacked out, some tint on those headlights. So know your local and state laws, whether that is allowed where you are from if you're interested in purchasing this truck. And while we're talking about that, as you can see, tinted side glass and rear window. So know your percentage of window tint also that you can have. Just a heads up. Now those still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay. See how clean this truck is. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on American Racing wheels, you can see drilled rotors behind there. And then you can see around that wheel well too, nice and solid. Black paint shows well. It's black paint. You may find an imperfection here or there. Of course, the black shows up a little bit easier, but overall this truck has a great look to it. And you can see reflection in the paint, so it does have a nice shine to it. Up and down the passenger side, you can see there's no major nicks, dings, scratches. Look around these wheel wells. And again, check out the underside pics. You'll be able to see in the bed, there's a hard tonneau cover on it. Bed's in nice shape also. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. Dual exhaust. Catalytic converter still in place. There you go. Check out the reflection on that tailgate. Makes me look shorter than I really am. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. We're going to start this truck up, let you hear it run, take a peek at the engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. But first, let's take a look at this driver's side. If you like Chevy trucks, maybe like regular cab short box Stepsides in general, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Look at the reflection there. So again, paint has a nice deep shine to it. And you can see, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, it's black. You're going to have an imperfection here or there. But overall, like I said earlier, good look to this truck. Nicely equipped too, and we'll get to the interior here. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks. A little custom touch with the black inlay on the gray interior. I guess I'd consider this a split bench. Consider 40-20-40 split bench seat. Tilt column, cruise control, aftermarket Pioneer stereo. Let's see if I remember how to run that too in a second. 82,446 exact miles. That is actual. Remember, Texas truck up until 2021. That was northern Texas, I believe north of Dallas. All right, so we have a screen that will come out. So we, like I said, let's see if I remember how to do this. Pioneer stereo, and I did have it working. Sounds good. There we go. My favorite, Metallica. Dash looks good. Headliner, could use a little bit of TLC. It's a good looking interior. Let's slip around to the back. See how it sounds. Door closes nice. rumble coming out of that 5.7. All right, I'm gonna pause this. Of course, I gotta release the hood from the interior. Let's get this hood popped open, check out the engine bay, and like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. Take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's a peek at the hood liner. And how about the engine bay, little aftermarket cold air intake. We'll get around to the side and check that out here in just a second. Again, power steering, power brakes. AC blows cold. Smooth runner. There's the cold air intake. Kind of a cool setup. Looks good, sounds good underneath there. 1996 Chevrolet C1500. Good looking regular cab short box Stepside. Number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1996 Chevrolet Silverado. Stepside bed, looking great in black paint. Cowl induction hood. Our turn signal indicator is working. This truck has a nice throaty exhaust sound to it. Automatic transmission shifted right here on the column. The AC is blowing cold in this truck. Pioneer stereo in the dash. Nice sound to that stereo, very clear. Little shake to the steering wheel, that could be a flat spot in a tire perhaps. These vehicles do sit for a while sometimes. These windows are tinted very nicely. However, there is a couple spots on the windshield where there is a slate tint that has been applied that's coming off right up on the corner and one over here. But this truck looks great in black with tinted windows. Our fuel gauge is showing over half a tank. The volts are over 14. Oil pressure about 60. And the temperature about 180. Maybe still rising a little. Automatic transmission feels nice and tight. Shifts nice and firm. This truck stays level in the corners, doesn't lean very much. Kick down working well on that automatic transmission. Bucket seats with a fold-up center console and third seat right in the middle. Very fun truck. Take a look at all the pictures, learn more about this nice looking black Chevy Silverado at uniqueclassiccars.com.